But let's go over some of the loan products we have here at Easy Findings Home Loans, guys. We basically help families with down payment assistance. There's all kinds of different types of programs that we have available. FHA, all your FHA products, okay? Conventional, we have conventionals, all type of products as well. Even our 1% down conventional, guys. Our VA for our veterans, 0% down. And of course, a variety of non-QM products for our self-employed clients, anywhere from 10% down and up. A lot of those products ask for a minimum credit rating of 680. Some ask for 660, guys. Great opportunities are out there. Let's take advantage of them, especially in this market right now. This is what's going to happen real quick, okay? Talking about the market. Rates are high. That means your opportunities of becoming a homeowner are greater. Once the rates drop, we're seeing a future drop here, guys. It's going to go bananas again. So unless you're ready to pay $100,000, $50,000 to $100,000 over asking price or over appraisal, then I don't know if you have family members or friends, or even probably you experienced it where people were in line to make offers on homes. It's coming. Get ahead of the game. All right. You can always refinance after you buy your home. Okay. For more information or to get started, you can reach me here, or for a quicker response, send me a text. Have a fantastic day and week.